Let's see how we can create agents.md in Cursor and how we can use those things. So the quickest way to create agents.md is go to your root directory and click here to create a new file and just call it agents.md. Now here you write your instructions for the agent. Let's say I have the sample instruction here. I'll click on Markdown to see this in editable format. Delete this, close this. Okay, so this is the markdown. So agents.md basically is instructions for your cursor agent to tell it what to do, what rules to follow, what rules not to break, and what steps to follow all the time. So basically things like ensure script runs from the command line. You can have some testing instructions like write simple testable functions. You can have some simple general instructions like write clean readable Python code and so on. Now, if you are working in a company that have multiple developers, you can share the same agents.md in your project so that same coding structure or same coding guidelines are followed. Okay, so this is the simplest way to create agents.md, and this will apply to your whole project. Let's say if you have multiple projects or multiple folders, for example, let's say I have a database folder here that does some database related operations. What I can do is I can create a new file inside database folder, agents.md, and here you can have your database related stuff that your agent should follow. So agents.md can be separated in different folders according to different tasks that your agent has to do. So if you have a front-end and a back-end folder, you can have a agents.md file in which each one of those folders. Okay. Now, agents.md basically tells you what to do, right? It is saying keep changes small, do not overwrite, write simple testable functions, avoid hard-coded values, and so on. And it says ensure code runs without syntax errors. Now, these are instructions. Basically, it is similar to a rule book or a guideline that your company gives you, but it is not telling you how to do it. That's where skills.md comes in. So in skills.md, you can define how to check for syntax error or how to write testable code, and those things are repeated throughout your project. Okay. So basically agents.md is like instructions on what to do, and skills.md is like instructions on how to do what you're supposed to do. Okay, so if you want to know how you can create skills.md, check the link in the description below. Basically, this is all you need to know on how to create agents.md. You can have multiple directory based agents, and just creating this is enough. You don't need to do anything else. Just make sure your name of the agent is agents.md, and Cursor will automatically pick it up and follow the rules we have mentioned here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.